What if the sky you see today, blue, bright, and familiar, looked completely different billions of years ago? Scientists believe that Earth once had a purple sky, and the reason why is both strange and beautiful. Let's go back in time. Way back, over 3 billion years ago, the early Earth had no oxygen in its atmosphere. No plants. No animals. Just oceans, volcanoes, and microbes, the very first forms of life. Instead of oxygen, the air was filled with methane, hydrogen, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. It was toxic by today's standards, but perfect for the organisms that existed back then. And here's where it gets interesting. The light-scattering molecules in this methane-rich atmosphere would have filtered sunlight differently than today's oxygenated air. Instead of blue, the sky may have looked violet or even deep purple. This is more than just speculation. The idea was proposed by NASA-affiliated astrobiologist Shiladitya Dasarma in the early 2000s. His team suggested that early microbes, like purple sulfur bacteria and halophiles, might have thrived under a purple-tinged sky because they used different pigments to capture sunlight, not chlorophyll like modern plants. Instead of green plants making oxygen, these microbes used retinal-based pigments, the same pigment found in our eyes. These pigments absorb green and yellow light and reflect red and blue, creating a world possibly tinted in shades of magenta, violet, or purple. In other words, early Earth may have glowed, in a color we never expected. It wasn't until the rise of cyanobacteria, around 2.5 billion years ago, that Earth's atmosphere began to shift. These organisms used photosynthesis to release oxygen, kicking off what's now called the Great Oxygenation Event. This change didn't just shape the sky, it rewrote the planet. The oxygen buildup wiped out many of the original methane-based microbes, cleared the haze, and eventually turned the sky into the familiar blue we see today. So yes, Earth's sky really may have been purple. Not in fantasy, but in physics, chemistry, and biology. And here's the kicker. If life evolved under a purple sky here, could other planets with methane-rich atmospheres host life under skies of color we've never seen? It's not just a cool theory. It's a lens into how alien life might evolve in different environments, using different chemistry, under different colors of light. The sky wasn't always blue. Life wasn't always green. And Earth was once a world lit in violet. Subscribe for more deep science, cosmic history, and the strange beauty of our ancient world.